Welcome to Langlish. Let's find out the difference between these two prepositions of place. Let me ask you a question. Do you say, I'm in the hospital, or I'm at the hospital? Both can be correct, but what's the difference? We use in when we focus on being inside the place. For example, I'm in the kitchen. She's in the car. I'm in the classroom. My phone is in my bag. We're in the office. We use at when we focus on a location or point. For example, he's at the bus stop. We're at the airport. She's at the door. I'm at the restaurant. They're at the beach. Now let's try. 1. Do we say she's in the bus stop or she's at the bus stop? We're talking about the location, so at is correct. 2. They're at the car or they're in the car. We're talking about being inside the place, so in is correct. 3. I'm in the living room or I'm at the living room. Which one do you say? Write it down in the comments.